What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This week we've came back down to CarTec where we got the combo van from, and when we bought the van we done a deal on some other Corsa parts that'll just make the van a bit less tatty and a bit nicer to drive. So let's have a look at what we've got. So guys, as you can see, it's a bit of a Corsa graveyard here. Obviously Sammy uses them for racing, so there's a few kicking about. So what we've got for the van, just to get a bit of a facelift, is we've got some SXI headlights. We're not allowed to take the SXI bumper because they use them for racing, so I've got to find one of them somewhere else. We've got the SXI leather steering wheel and the SXI centre console in silver. We've got the side skirts if they're long enough for the van. Here we've got a wee Corsa D that we've got the wheels off it. So we're going from 15 inch up to 16 inch. And we've also got the Corsa D SXI seats, which are, they've got some nice bolsters and stuff on them. They need a clean because they've been lying for a while. And we've also got the Corsa D centre console with a steering wheel and gator on it. So they should freshen up our old van a wee bit. So before it gets dark, we'll start stripping these bits off and transplanting them onto your van. Right, hopefully you can see this alright guys. I've straightened the steering wheel so we know that that's perfectly straight. And I've also disconnected the battery on the van and left it for 10 minutes. So now it's just a case of unscrewing this here bag. I don't know if you can see this, but this is your connector here. So you want to pull the little safety pin out, and then you carefully disconnect your bag. Now the next bit is just to undo the big nut on the centre. Wasn't too tight. Now don't take this off all the way, leave it on a few threads and then just make sure, yeah that's fine, make sure that your steering wheel's going to move, because I've seen so many people yank a steering wheel off and hit themselves in the face with it, and you don't want to be doing that. Take it off. And then we've just got the reverse procedure to putting the new one on. So guys, you can probably tell it's the next day. We've just got back to Sammy's. It got so dark on us last night we couldn't film anything, so we just ripped everything off and loaded the van. So what we've done, we've ripped off the front bumper headlights off of the SXI. We're going to measure up the side skirts today and see if they'll fit. We swapped the steering wheel over, had to do that here so that this can still move. We've took all the SXI centre console out. We have also got the seats out of the Corsa D. Obviously they're going to need a real good clean. I've started taking the centre console out. We're going to measure that up and see if it's possible to fit in ours. We'll give it a go. And we're going to swap these wheels over so that we've got the Corsa D SXI wheels. But again, we need to swap them here so that this can still roll when it needs to. So the wheels of our van will be going on here. Corsa D wheels will be going straight back on our van. So it looks like it's about to start raining again. So let's crack on and get it done.
Right, so it's the next day, we're back from Sammy's, and as you can tell, we've finally got a completely dry day, so we're going to try and get as much done as we can on the van, and I'm going to start by stripping the old headlights and bumper off, so we can swap it over with the new SXI ones.
Charlie's got the front end off the van. We've rubbed in some of the scabby rusty looking bits with a wire brush, some sandpaper. We've put some Q-rust on it, so while that's drying we're going to look at tidying up this side. So we put the 16-inch Corsa D wheels on it last night when we were at Sammy's. We're going to take them off and get them a quick rubbed in and a quick coat of silver. It's not going to be a proper wheel refurb. If you want to see a proper wheel refurb, jump back to one of our other videos. I'll put a link to it in the playlist below, but that'll show you how to do it properly. This is just going to be a quick tidy up. There's a couple of scabby bits along the bottom of the sill that I want to tidy up before it goes for MOT, so we're going to pop it on time lapse, get stuck into work and just get on with it. Right guys, there we have it. This isn't going to be its final rendition. This is just a quick going over, just so we can get it MOT'd, get using it, because we've got loads of stuff we need to do. We've got parts to get rid of, scrap to get rid of, bumpers to get rid of, interiors that need to go. So we really need the van on the road. So this is just a quick once over, just to get it through the MOT. Quick wheel refurb. They look much better. There's no more rust along the bottom of the doors. It's all been under-sealed underneath. We've got the Corsa SXI front bumper on and the headlights, and we've run a wee bit short of time, so we've still got this side to do, but this side's nowhere near as bad, so we're going to call it there for this video on the wee van. There's my cat popped up to say hello. Well, it's not even my cat, it's the guy down the street's cat. Hey Marmite. But yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Join us next time when we'll be finishing this off, and we'll be trying to modify the Corsa D seats and centre console to fit. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next week.